Ang dami na nating pinagdaan ng dalawa. Nagkakilala tayo through front row. Thank you, front row. Hindi ko alam, pero parang this relationship is a destined by God. That's what our hashtag is. Destined by God. Kasi biruin mo, ang daming nangyari bago tayo mag-meet nung araw na yun. Pero gumawa siya ng paraan para mag-meet at mag-meet pa rin tayong dalawa. Writing stories with the stars, and the morning speaks to these open dreams.
Judith and Dustin, always put Jesus at the center of your marriage. Turn to the Father. Ask Him to shine light in all areas of your married life.
In the sunlight or underneath the moon, all we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all waiting for us.
Okay, see you. Huwag kang kabahan. Ako lang to.
Empty pages we can fill, taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward. In the dark we feel it still, and the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we.
Dustin, do you take Judith here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
I take you today as mine, knowing and loving all of your strengths and faults, just as I offer myself to you as yours, with all of my strengths and faults. Pangakong lagi akong nasa tabi mo sa panahon na kailangan mo ako.
Writing stories with the stars, knew we'd get here from the start, knew we'd get here.
Dustin here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church.
Yes, I do.
Your I do will serve as a good foundation if it's a willing decision that through thick and thin you will remain true.
All we have is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all
So today,
waiting for
I vow to help you
us.
love the life that we have and we will have. I promise to always know the deepest part of my soul na kahit ano pang pagsubok ang dumaan o magpahiwalay sa atin, lagi lang nating pipiliin hanapin ang daan pabalik sa isa't isa.
Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga buhay. Away ba't di natin namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong
this is the day our new lives began. Let's start our new journey. And I swear to God, Titig and King, I always love you. I love you, my wife.
You're everything that I ever dreamed of and everything I will ever need. Our love for each other is heaven sent, as what I said. You are the most caring, hardworking, patient, lovable man that I know. And I promise I will always be your wife.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal, sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
I vow to stay and love you through the best and the worst, always and forever. I love you so much.
Ako
Hug!
palagi